Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to indulge in some delicious continental cravings. So, let's get started. First up, we have the mouth-watering chicken parmesan. This dish is a classic Italian-American dish, made with breaded chicken, topped with tomato sauce and cheese, and baked to perfection. It's a must-try for any chicken lover. Next, we have the scrumptious chicken cordon bleu. This dish is a fusion of flavors, with a combination of chicken, ham, and cheese, all wrapped in a crispy breading. It's a perfect blend of savory and sweet, making it a crowd pleaser. Now, let's talk about the decadent chicken marsala. This dish is a classic Italian-American dish, made with chicken, mushrooms, and a rich marsala wine sauce. It's a perfect choice for a special occasion or a cozy night in. Moving on to the delectable chicken Alfredo. This dish is a classic Italian-American dish, made with creamy Alfredo sauce, Parmesan cheese, and tender chicken. It's a perfect choice for a comforting meal. Next up, we have the delightful chicken piccata. This dish is a classic Italian-American dish, made with lemon, capers, and a light white wine sauce. It's a perfect choice for a light yet flavorful meal. Last but not least, we have the heavenly chicken parmesan pizza. This dish is a twist on the classic chicken parmesan, with all the same flavors, but on a pizza crust. It's a perfect choice for a fun and easy meal. And there you have it, folks. Our top picks for continental cravings. We hope you enjoyed this little culinary adventure with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food inspiration. Until next time, happy eating!